Hello, my name is Luke Leffler, and I helped work on the World Foods website Team Project 8, and I think our website met each category quite effectively and did quite a good job in each category. Start off with the functional category. We have the required minimum 8 pages. All of our files were lowercase. We also had 5 relative and descriptive links. We also have a working nav bar, as you can tell. For the design, our visual appeal had repetition, so each page looked very similar to each other. We also, in our external style sheet, had multiple rules, a lot more than the 25 minimum. And we employed a mobile-first strategy, so we built the website up from mobile viewport up. And then for the SEO category, we have a clear descriptive title for each page that you're on. We also have alternative text for all the images in our website. And we have description meta tags for each page, depending on that page. So popular dishes of Russia for the Russia page. If you went to the home page, it would be different. It would have foods from around the world. And then for the accessibility, we have descriptive text for the caption element on our table. So we have call us at this number for the table, letting them know that this table means the times available to call us. We also have HTML5 nav tags for our navigation bar, as you can see right here. And our form is also responsive depending on the size of the screen, so it'll shrink or expand, and the text area will get bigger depending on the size. It works properly, so if you enter in some information, click submit, it will take you to the thank you page right here. The form also had checkboxes. So yeah, so what I contributed to this website was I designed the mobile viewport. So I made it so it just looked nice with the background and the black display. I created the drop-down menu for the navigation bar. Made sure all the websites looked well together. They're all quite similar. I also helped quite a bit on the tablet and desktop viewport. Helped create the multi-column layout for these pages right here. Worked on the nav bar quite a bit also. Made the pseudo classes. I also wanted to create some features per se that made our website stand out from others, so I made this relative picture navigation links right here. So if you clicked on, let's say, this Japan picture, it'll take you to the Japan page. I also styled the table right here and also styled the form. I also did the thank you page and implemented the Google Fonts. I did the content for Russia. If you click on these pictures on the dishes, it'll take you to the recipe of them. I also did that for Japan and Kenya, as you can see, including the author of the pictures. So yeah, I would say probably my favorite part of the website is how the navigation bars turned out and actually how nice the layout turned out with it. I mean, all the pages look similar, they're repetitive. It just seems very visually appealing to me. Everything turned out well. The most challenging part, I would say, was it's probably a tie between designing this. I had to Photoshop each image so they all look nice together and are well spaced out. And so they're also responsive and floated next to each other. And the other thing that was very challenging in making was definitely the drop-down menu. It took me forever to figure that out. And also, this wasn't challenging. This was just a feature I wanted to make stand out from other websites, was depending on the page you click, So if we're in Kenya, I made it so the nav list item would have a background color to it. It's just a little feature that I added. So yeah, overall, I think the website turned out great. I think it met every category quite well. It's not exceptionally. I'm glad the way it turned out, and thank you for listening to my video.